Hello guys, as you may know, the new Kimi K2 Thinking Model is released. It is an open source model from China. As you see, it's available here on Hugging Face. It is beating closed source industry-leading models like Claude 4.5 Sonnet and GPT-5. It has performed best on humanity's last exam, beating all other models completely. In this video, we will tell how to use this peak open source model for free and also do a small coding test on it. So let's start. Here on this page, go to this links section now to Kimi AI, which is the official website of Kimi AI. Here, click to enable thinking. Now you need to sign up with Gmail to start chatting. So sign up now. Now, after sign up, this will be the UI of the Kimi website. Here, enable thinking mode. And make sure Kimi K2 is selected. Now, you can chat as much as you want for free. Let's ask a basic question about the model itself. See, it is thinking and working as we think it should. See, it's the Kimi K2 model with thinking. Now, let's try a small website coding test. I am asking it to create a single HTML file for a premium website that showcases game development projects and includes a Play Now section featuring a functional minigame. The layout must include these sections. Use HTML, CSS, and JS. Need complete code for the HTML file. Make the website feel next level, goated, and world class. Let's send it. It's thinking deep now. Waiting. It's writing code. Let's hit preview here. Code is working. It is a great UI. Let's go to the mini game. It's a memory game. It's a playable game, good. Working. So that's all. Use as much as you need here.